Hello everyone, I am Hexagon's Vigil, and I'm a member of Team 12 DMV region. Mostly the Virginia. All of us are in Virginia. I don't know why we're DMV. We just are and accept it, okay? Now, Team 12 consists of me, my little brother Christian Gomez, my cousin Breggie Gomez, and our good friends Edwin Martinez, Neri Lannis, and none other than Mikey Davidson will also be contributing to these projects. We will be coming to you guys every now and then with videos. Some videos will educate you, some will just talk about things going on in the world and just have a grand old time. Now, today's video that I'm bringing to you guys is a factual science one, and if you know this, you probably get bored, and I'm sorry, but you should still subscribe because I'm going to come up with a new video hopefully every week. And if you don't know this is going to be so awesome, okay? Now, today we'll be talking about, I'm going to tell you guys now, I'm going to be about 99.9999999999999% sure I'm going to butcher this name and other names I may happen to mention in this video. Like, I'm pretty sure I messed up my friend Neri's last name. I'm about 85% sure I did. But today's video is about none other than the Computus solidarity. Now, you guys might be like, what is that? It's a type of ant. Now, ants are boring and stupid. Wrong. This ant is spectacular. It's a species of carbonaria ants, indigenous to Malaysia and Borneo. It is one out of 9 species of carbonaria ants that live in Southeast Asia with the unique ability to self-destruct when it wants. Now, why would anything want to do that, really? Let me explain. When the carbonaria ants go to war or in a battle where all hope is lost and there's no chance at all, they will blow up. They will give their lives for the colony and sacrifice their lives so their friends and family could continue on. That's such a brave man. Now, this exploding, they're not machines, so it's not fiery and death and blah. No. It's their guts and whatever's inside, which might not be that bad until you actually know what's inside these ants. Now, running along the length of the ant's body are 2 poison sacs. So when the ant explodes, the poison will spread everywhere, contaminating all the enemy bugs or whatever is attacking the colony. But that is not all that's in their bodies. There's a gland by their jaw, which creates a sticky glue-like substance, and when that blows up, it makes everything it comes in contact with sticky. So the enemy bugs will get stuck to each other, to the ground, to the leaf, to whatever they're nearby, and be unable to move. But not only that, but this sticky substance is also highly corrosive. Not highly corrosive, but for a bug, it's pretty corrosive. And it will irritate and burn away at the enemy bugs that it splatters on, maybe a few comrades. It's possible. Now, here's the little thing. The substance can vary in color depending on the seasons. This is probably attributed to a change in diet. So there's different levels of pH inside the body, causing it to be different levels of acidic inside the ant's body. So that's probably why this sticky corrosive part of the explosion, it can come out white during good seasons where there's plenty of food, and kind of yellowish and ugly color during the dry season and the start of the wet season. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this kind of cool. So now we know they have the glands and the sticky stuff, but how do they explode? Think of a balloon. Ants' bodies, they will just start contracting their muscles, and eventually they're just gonna pop and spread their guts, their poison, the corrosive stuff everywhere on everything nearby. That's one tough ant. Well, I hope you guys like this and subscribe to my video. And the rest of Team 12, like I mentioned earlier, will hopefully post their own videos before I do post my next one next week. Adios, world.